All right, George Davey Sports Cards here doing the second box, limited tonight. Good luck. See if Howard got a Johnny Kobe auto. No, nothing. Wow. What a jerk, Howard. Why not hooking up Johnny, man? Good luck, guys. Yeah, Dwayne Wade, John Lucas, Kevin Martin, Rodney Stuckey, and our first hit's going sideways. Spencer Hawes for the Sixers. Spencer Hawes. He's got them. Atlantic. James in Atlantic. With a one off the back. Because the middle one is a redemption. Dirk. Dirk for Dallas. Where's Dallas at? There you are, Southwest. Matt 630 on the Dirk jersey. 183 of 199. And redemption. Actually, maybe two redemptions. Panini Limited. Rookies. Kyrie at 202. Jawan Johnson. That is not Kyrie. Let's see who Jawan is. And one more. Panini Limited. Masterful Marks this time. Card number 15. Ersan Ilyasova. Masterful Marks. That Thunder? Look at these guys. Find out right now, guys. Thanks again. We got an extra hit.